Welcome to lesson 136. I was having problems with the camera and I went ahead and did it and realized that it was not recording. Anyway, I'll walk through these problems pretty quickly and how I did them. So number one is 889 plus 76. I did my work over here. I had to carry over and I got 965. Number two, square A and rectangle B have the same perimeter, so the same measurement outside. Calculate the areas of the shape A and B. So I have to find the area of each shape. And area equals length times width. So rules of a square are that all sides are equal. And they gave me 6 centimeters for one side, which means the other side is going to be 6. So length times width, 6 times 6 equals 36 centimeters squared. Squared since I am multiplying 2 units of measurement. B, length times width. So you could do 10 times 2, which equals 20 centimeters squared. 3, 406 take away 138. I did my work over here. I had to borrow and borrow again, and I got 268. 4, name the shape. If I don't know the name of the shape, I could look in my help pages. 5, 90 times 3. I take 9 times 3, and when I get that answer, I add a 0 to it. 6, choose a description that matches the picture. We're looking for the equal shares. So 48 divided into 6 equal shares, or 48 divided into 8 equal shares. Shares are groups, and I counted my groups, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Be 6 equal shares. 256 take away 118. I did my work over here. 256. I had to borrow from the 5, so I got 16 take away 8 is 8. The 5 became a 4 since I borrowed from it. 4 take away 1 is 3, and then 2 take away 1 is 1. 8. Randy must be at work by 8:30. If he leaves his house at 8:10, how many minutes does he have to get to work? I got 20 minutes. It's 20 minutes because I found the difference. I took the minutes away. 30 take away 10, which is 20. Okay, 9, you have to measure. If you have a ruler, go ahead and do it. If not, just skip it. 10. Show the distributive property when solving 7 times 6. So distribute means to break apart. And they broke apart the 6 into 2 and 4. But you still have to multiply the 7 times the 2 and 7 times the 4. So do that here. 7 times 2 plus 7 times 4. When you get these answers, you add them together and to get the total amount. 11. Compare the shaded parts of the 2 circles. Then choose a correct sign. Here's the 2 circles. 3/6 is greater than 3/8. I can clearly see that by looking at the picture and how they colored it in. 12. Is a stapler about 8 inches long or 8 feet long? It's about 8 inches long because 8 feet would be about, well, 1 foot would be this big. And if there was 8 of those, that'd be way too long for a stapler. 13. What number is 100 less than 703? I'm just taking away from my hundreds. It would be 603 if I take 100 away from it. 14. Each rowboat needed 8 feet of rope to tie up to the dock. How many feet of rope is needed to tie up 8 boats? Be 8 times 8. 64 feet. 15. Draw along the dotted lines to divide the square. Shade in one part. What fraction is shaded? I drew along the dotted lines and I shaded in one square. I got 1/4. That's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching.